is a Bee-lieve edition of our Tara's Must Have, where we share with you something that's pretty practical and purposeful. And I have to tell you, my Bee-lieve collection is all of that and more. We debuted this collection a little bit last year, and we have been continuing to add to it. So what is a Tara's Must Have? Exactly what I just said, exclusive over at temp-tations.com. Bee-lieve is only available there, and today we have our canister set. I have to tell you, if you want a kitchen refresh, if you want to make over your kitchen just by layering in these 3 key pieces, you've already done that. We included a 1 quart, a 2 quart, and a 3 quart. Our canisters are sculptural in detail. Take a look at the Bee-lieve pattern. You have that honeycomb. This is our taupe. It's also available in our buttercream. Look at the detail, that sweet little bee on the top, the bee that runs all the way around. And here's the best part. There's a silicone seal. So that's gonna keep everything fresher longer. That ruffled edge, all of the beauty, all of the detail, and 3 great sizes. Whether you're using them for flowers, for pastas, for dry goods, for anything you can think of, they morph into centertaining as well. But why the bee? So for me, I've always loved the story of the humble little bumblebee. This bee that defies all odds in the fact that its wings, its body's too big. How's it gonna get up there? But just by its sheer will, it does. We actually include inside a cute little note about Bee-lieve if you're sharing this as a gift, or you just want to remember it. And for me, it was about the humble little bumblebee reminds us to believe in our own hidden strength, believe in the magic that surrounds us, and to believe that truly anything is possible. So when you get these pieces home, just know that they are enriched with so much meaning and so much beauty. Look what we did here. We did our flower. I love that. Again, these go right in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean them, which is fantastic. We also did some dried, ooh, hello. We also did some dried pasta, which is so nice. Think about that. Your ground coffee if you wanted to. Even some crackers and snacks. You can get things out of those cardboard boxes. But seriously, they are so stunning. Don't forget, also over at temp-tations.com, select items in our entire Bee-lieve collection are 25% off. So check that out. Just not all of it, but some of it. So the canisters are fantastic. $34.95 for all 3. What? Glass glazes, sculptural detail, and the beauty and charm of our humble little bumblebee. Head on over to temp-tations.com, $34.95. Select items in our Bee-lieve collection, 25% off. You better believe it. Bye.